In the light of serious allegations contained in a joint affidavit issued last February 23, that has been reportedly transmitted to the Office of the Ombudsman, there have been allegations that some members of Congress nakatanggap ng envelope, nakatanggap ng maleta. Ito'y naibigay kung hindi sa opisina, sa townhouse. So, let me finish.
There's
You
a
will have
point
your
of
turn
order,
because
the
this is
Honorable
bearing.
Tay.
This is not an allusion
Order.
to prejudge the veracity of the allegations.
Honorable Suntay, there is a point of order.
This is also a point
That
of
is
order.
the highest
Mayor.
hierarchy among all the
What is
motions.
the relevancy of this speech?
No.
Of sufficiency in form?
Madam Chair, this is very relevant because we are...
Please, Honorable Suntay, please wait until he finishes with his point of order. The Honorable Terry Ridon is recognized. Kindly use a microphone which is okay.
Madam Chair, the speech of our distinguished colleague is absolutely relevant to the question of sufficiency of form and substance in the matter, and more importantly, my understanding of what he's stating today is that he's probably accusing members of Congress, members of the House Committee on Justice, as receiving payments for the implementation of our mandate in the impeachment proceeding. So, which is which, Madam Chair? So I think his speech is out of order and this should be decided promptly by the committee.
Okay, we heard the basis of the point of order of the Honorable Terry Ridon. Now we shall hear the answer of the Honorable Suntay.
Yes, Madam Chair. Ang problema sa
Kindly
kaibigan ko,
justify the relevance of your statement to the
jumping the
current
gun.
impeachment proceedings.
he is jumping the gun. This is actually relevant not only in the determination of form and substance. This is relevant in the impartiality, in determining the impartiality of this hearing, which is very important. Madam Chair, this is not an accusation. Kaya nga, kung hinintay lang ako patapusin, ewan ko bakit naman yung aking kaibigan naggagalaiti ka agad at concern na concern. You know, if we have nothing to fear, then we just listen.
Napansin nyo si Terry Ridon? Parang defensive masyado, ano? Guilty ka ba? Okay. Hindi pa nga tapos si Congressman Suntay magsalita. Hindi niya naman inaakusahan yung mga kasamahan nila dyan sa Congress, dyan sa Kamara, dun sa committee na yun. Sinasabi niya lang na dun sa affidavit ng mga ex-marine, ilan doon sa committee ay nakatanggap ayon doon sa mga lumutang na ex-marine. Pero si Terry Ridon, grabe yung si Kokey, grabe yung depensa. Guilty ka ba, Ridon? Nagtatanong lang ako baka mapikon ka eh. Alam nyo kasi guys, ganito, kung sa Senado mayroon tayong pinky, sa Kamara naman, sa House of the Representative, may pinky din dyan. Ayan, si Ridon, si Kokey, nanggagalaiti agad eh. Nasabihan ka tuloy na, nanggagalaiti ka. Bakit? Dahil yung mga nabanggit ng mga ex-marines na tumanggap ng maleta, ng paper bag, na may lamang galing sa bayan, diba? Galing sa kaban ng bayan, ay mga BFF mo, di ba? Kaya kaganyan. Nako. Sa totoo lang, kaming mga nanonood sa inyo, kaming mga Pilipino, mga mamamayang Pilipino, nahahalata namin kayo. Huwag niyong gawing bubo yung mga tao na hindi marunong tumingin, makinig, at humusga. Okay, kita-kits na lang. 2028, di ba? I-impeach nyo si BP Sara. So, kita-kita pa rin tayo sa 2028.